if you're new and you're still kind of learning, the item you want to Google is GANs, GANS, or it stands for Generative Adversarial Networks. That G, that generative, is the same G from generative AI, Gen AI. Okay, so they are tied together. So you want to Google generative adversarial networks, and these are the conversations I have with my corporate clients, by the way, guys, because that's really what you're talking about. You're talking about generative adversarial networks, which is a form of neural networks, and Gen AI represents an application of generative adversarial networks, right? So, you know what? I'm going to leave that as a challenge for all of you. Come back to me at some point. You know what? Put a message into Discord. Let's do it via Discord. If you're really interested and you really want to catch my attention and show me that you want to learn more, go to the Discord and give me an elevator pitch, or give me your short description, your short interpretation of what a GAN is. What is a generative adversarial network? Because if you can get to that answer, you should be able to understand the statement I just told you, that Gen AI is an application of GANs, right? So I'm giving you this as a challenge, because if you meet the challenge, like, the connections are going to start happening in your brain, where you're going to say, oh, okay, yeah, that's really just a neural network running that. Okay, I get it, right? So let's put that as a challenge. Do your research.